the before. It's just oiled hair because we're on quarantine, so it's just oil, Vatica oil in my hair. And I'm gonna wash it out and you guys are gonna see the look. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review for you guys, which I know you have been waiting for, and I know that there's been some requests for the video and I have not delivered. And it's on the Revlon brush. So it's this brush, and it's like a pro dryer styler. And so what I've done is, it's a bit hot today and I've actually just let my hair air dry a little, just so that it's soaking wet, and then I'm gonna part it now. So I've got it like in 2 bits. I would say it's in like half, even if it's not perfect. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect in the back. And it's just halved, and I'm going to take like some hair from above. So I'm just gonna grab some from there, and I'm just gonna put this away. I'm gonna take like, yeah, just that, and I'm gonna clip it up. So I just use a little jaw grip on my hair, and this is the hair I have let down. This side has a bit more though, so maybe it's not parted very evenly. And yeah, this is basically the dryer. Now I'm gonna do like a piece. I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna put in the video so that you see how it looks when I'm doing the top layer, and then like this is the bottom layer for now. Okay, so I grab like not too much hair, around like an amount that can fit a brush. So I'm gonna put the hair strap on so it makes some noise, and then it has these little settings here. So it's 2, 1, and then there's cold, and 0 is when it's off. This is the sound it makes. Basically, now this dries and sets your hair, so you can just see how I do it. If you want to go a little bit more like better, I would take less. I do actually take less. That's why it takes me a little bit longer, but it's really like a bit better, I feel. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold it here. So basically, from this soaking wet hair to dry in a matter of seconds, and aside from dry, the main thing is that it's actually straight. So that is my whole aim of to show you that this is a hair dryer that styles your hair, and for me it's been the best thing ever. My hair is so much thicker, it's so much more healthier. I oiled it last night with Vatica oil, the almond one. It's a gold one. I used that, and so this is basically my hair after it's been washed. I use the Dove shampoo, and it's got like a gold lid. So yeah, that's basically how I wash my hair. I double cleanse, so that means I put shampoo in twice. So I wash out, and then I put it like a second one, just a little bit, to get everything nice and clean. And basically you guys have seen how I've done one part, so you would do the rest of the hair. Then I'm just gonna show you. So this is the dried hair. It's completely dried. You can just do it until it gets more and more dried or whatever. Then I'll show you guys how I do the top in the next part. So basically this right here is a quick edit to show you how the hair is looking. This is the wet hair, the before, and this is the after. In a matter of minutes, this is how your hair has come out. So before and after. The bottom half of my hair is done. It is soft, it is silky, and this is how straight it is. You guys can see how straight it is. Okay, it's got a nice amount of like softness. I mean, it's not exactly sleek, I would say, but it's really straight if you look, and I love it. I'm gonna show you guys how to part your second bit, and basically you can put this hair back and you can just take your next bit of hair out. So like this, basically just the top layer and your back hair, you know, the ones most people tease, just get that in a clip, just whatever. And then we're gonna finish up this. So I like to take it really nice and high to the roots here, okay? So yeah, you're gonna see how it looks in a bit. This right here is the top half of the hair, done in a matter of minutes, and you can see it's nice, it's straight. And this is the before that went in, the completely wet, slightly wavy hair that went into the styler. And basically this is what comes out. I'll show you how I do this little part right here. You can just see how I do it, because there's only like two like strands here, so I'm gonna show you. So basically you can see that is how the one layer of the hair is looking. And now I'm going to show you guys basically the top. I'm going to take a bit of here of this one, and then I'm going to take this and clip this back up. Okay, and then I'm going to take this wet hair. This is not the easiest task, but we're going to do it on air. I'm gonna separate the two, so it's like those two pieces. I'm gonna grab the dryer. That part's done. Done. That is just how quick and easy it is. And you're gonna take the two front parts and you're gonna split it down the center, and I'm gonna show you how I do my front. So yeah, that's the back. It's got some volume. And you can just take this again, switch it on. Can you see? Okay, this is looking a bit odd, and this has never happened before. I brush backward and forward just to get the heat distributed, and it's nice and straight. Okay, so you can see the wet hair and you can see the dry hair. This is the wet and that's the dry side. I'm just gonna show you the last bit. I have some layers just in the front, but it's very long. And this morning I went from completely oil-filled hair to lovely, fresh, volumized, luscious hair, all with this one tool. Like it's the best tool for, like, honestly speaking, it is amazing and I love it. I truly love it. And yeah, another good thing I would say about it is all the hair doesn't really go onto the floor. It actually goes into the brush. So you can actually just, I use a brush for this, but you can actually just pull out whatever hair has fallen, because my hair falls a lot. You can just pull it out, or what I do is I grab a brush and I just put it in and I just pull it out like that. I would give this product a 10 out of 10. Only because it saves me so much time. It would take me 2 hours to get ready. So I would have, if I was washing hair, it would take me 2 hours to get ready in a day. And that would be starting, like, let's just say I had to go somewhere at 11 or 10. I would have to get up at 8, wash my hair, dry my hair, and get ready. This has cut down my time by half. Gets my hair done in like 15 minutes. If it's very wet and I didn't air dry it, or if it's really cold out, I get my hair done in 20 minutes if it's cold out. If it's normal weather, I get my hair done in 15 minutes if I let it air dry just a bit. And yeah, this is the final look. Obviously, if you want completely straight, sleek hair, then you could go in with a straightener. But this just saves me so much time from straightening to blow drying, and the amount of heat that's on your hair to straighten and blow dry. As well as, the one good thing I think for myself is my hair looks super thick. After I do this, if I straighten my hair, it goes so thin. And this, I've actually noticed my hair grows so well. What I'm gonna add is some of this Matrix Oil Wonders Indian Amla, and it does really help. The reason I actually bought this was because when they do it for me in the salon, it smells so good. So I just loved the smell, and that's why I got it. But it does help your hair, and you just get like one squirt, like if you can see here, and I just get it warmed up, and I just put it through my hair like this. I know you guys are bored at home, but pharmacies are open, so you guys can get this product for, I think it's $999 at the moment, from Clicks near you, or you can order it online and they can get it delivered, which is a much safer way to do it right now because we're on lockdown South Africa. And yeah, the brand is Revlon. I have my slip and things because in case anything goes wrong, they would exchange it. I think it has a 1 or 2 year guarantee if I'm not mistaken, but it's amazing. Research this product. I mean, you guys have seen the results. I've shown you exactly how I use it, and I just hope this helps you guys. I was hoping to do this tutorial with a bit of makeup and all those things, but you know what? It was in the morning and I am trying to give my skin some air and a little bit of a break. And yeah, my hair is done, and I just think that's more than enough for today in day 2 of lockdown. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna try and put the most content up due to being on lockdown and everyone has so much time, and hopefully Wi-Fi and data to watch, like, and subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it, and I love the love I've been receiving. And take care. Lots of love and blessings always.